We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the 5PC's Fidget Toys Adult Set by Dr. Kabder. This sensory pack has been making waves for its versatility, affordability, and ability to help with stress relief, focus, and even sensory development. Whether you're an adult looking for a way to keep your hands busy during work or a parent seeking tools to help your kids stay focused, this set promises to deliver. Let's dive into what users love and dislike about this product so you can decide if it's worth adding to your collection. And if you already own this set, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Starting with the features, the set includes 5 different types of fidget toys: a spinner, magnetic rings, a cube, and 2 other unique items that users have described as wire-like and rubber-based. These toys are designed to cater to a wide range of preferences and needs. The spinner is particularly popular for its mesmerizing balance and smooth rotation, while the magnetic rings offer a satisfying tactile experience. The cube provides multiple ways to flip and manipulate it, making it ideal for those who enjoy repetitive motions. One of the standout qualities of this set is its portability. Each toy is compact enough to fit in your pocket or bag, allowing you to use them anywhere, whether you're at home, in the office, or on public transportation. This makes them incredibly convenient for individuals who need quick stress relief or a way to stay focused in various settings. Safety is another important aspect. The toys are made from durable, non-toxic materials that meet international toy standards. Parents can feel confident giving these toys to their children without worrying about harmful substances. However, some users have noted that while the materials are safe, they don't always feel high quality. For example, one reviewer mentioned that the spinner broke after just 2 days of use despite not being handled roughly. The affordability of this set is frequently praised. At around $6, it's an excellent way to try out multiple types of fidget toys without breaking the bank. Many users were pleasantly surprised by the value for money, especially given the variety included in the pack. However, it's worth noting that some reviewers felt the lightweight plastic material contributed to a less premium feel. Performance-wise, these toys excel at keeping hands busy and minds focused. They're particularly beneficial for individuals with ADHD or autism, as they provide a quiet and unobtrusive way to channel energy and improve concentration. Teachers have even accepted them in classrooms as tools for helping students focus better during lessons. The set has also received positive feedback from adults dealing with arthritis or joint issues in their hands. The various motions required to manipulate these toys can help improve finger flexibility and provide soothing relief from stiffness or discomfort. Despite these benefits, there are some downsides worth mentioning. As previously noted, the durability of certain items like the spinner can be inconsistent. While some users found their spinner perfectly balanced and sturdy enough to last months of heavy use, others experienced breakage within days. This suggests that quality control might be an issue. Another minor drawback is the potential for noise. Although most of the toys operate quietly, some clicking sounds can become annoying over time, especially in shared spaces like offices or classrooms. Parents also noted that while their kids loved playing with these toys, the repetitive clicking could occasionally disrupt household peace. Overall impressions of this set are largely positive. Users appreciate the variety it offers and find it effective for stress relief and focus enhancement. The magnetic rings and wire-like toy are particularly popular among children and adults alike for their unique designs and satisfying motions. However, if you're looking for premium quality fidget toys that will last years of heavy use, you might want to consider investing in higher-end options. In conclusion, the 5PC's Fidget Toys Adult Set by Dr. Kabder is a versatile and affordable option for anyone seeking sensory tools for stress relief or focus improvement. While it may not offer top-tier durability or materials, its variety and effectiveness make it a worthwhile purchase, especially at such an accessible price point. If you've tried this set yourself, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback can help others decide whether this product is right for them. Remember that the link to purchase this product is in the description above. Using it supports our channel. Thank you for watching or listening to this review.